Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix high memory usage problem on your Windows system. So in the first step, go to search bar and type regedit and simply click on run as administrator. Now this will open registry editor window. On this window on the left side, simply expand HKey local machine. So to expand this, simply click here. After that, expand system folder. Now expand control set 001, then expand services folder. Now simply scroll down and search for NDU folder. Simply select it, and on the right side, right click on start, select modify, and we need to change the value data as 4. That's it guys. So click on OK and then close this window. After that, go to search bar, type here run, and then click here to open it. Now type here services.msc and click on OK. Now we need to find here sysmain, then simply right click on it and select stop. Again right click on it, select properties, then set startup type as disabled, then apply and then OK. That's it guys, your problem will be solved and you're good to go.